Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am going to show you how to use the pen tool and how to draw any kinds of shape using the pen tool. So let's start. Hello friends, now I am in my PC. Today to show the pen tool use. First I go to the pen tool and then how to use the pen tool. I will describe everything. First I select the pen tool, then look what type of shape I can draw. I can draw everything using pen tool. First I draw a click here, then I want to tap shift and then press it will horizontal, then I down, then again. It's so easy. Then I show you if I use the radius type how can I draw. First I click here, then I go to the top. Look, I want to the radius shape. For this I click here and drag the mouse. Okay, if I want to remove this portion, so click alter and delete this shape. Look, no shape is there. After that I go to the right side and then again I want to draw this type of radius shape. Click and drag the mouse what I want. It's so easy. Then again I want to delete this extra shape. For this, using keyboard, press alter and delete this shape. Okay, it's so easy. Then I want again I again want to draw this type of shape. It's so easy. Then I again want to delete this shape. Again want to draw this radius shape. It's so easy. This shape is not properly, but I draw it. If you want any mouth or any special drawing, for this how I can draw, I draw a eye shape. For this I click here and click there and radius it. Best. If I again want to go to this portion, look how was done. It's not good. For this I going to again Ctrl Z and press alter and delete this portion. For this, using alter tab and go to the start point and click the mouse, then it all removed. Look, no shape is there. Again on to draw and to draw the eye shape. For this what I need. It's so easy. Now I want to draw how to make a man shape drawing. For this I click the mouse here and that, then here, then I want a shape, alter and delete this shape, then I want again here, and again delete this shape, then again delete this shape. Man shape is ready. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.